Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can white label your WordPress site. So let's get right into it. Now, white labeling is basically removing any of the main features of WordPress, or main visuals, I guess you could say. You can replace the WordPress logo with your own, make it pretty much streamlined to your own personal needs, and pretty much customize how everything looks. Now for this, I'll be using this article because I do not have the possibility of installing plugins, and this will be covering the white label CMS plugin, which is very easy to use and it is very useful for any white labeling purposes. Now, to white label your admin dashboard, once you install and activate white label CMS, then you just want to go into settings and white label, and from there you can go ahead and modify everything in your dashboard. Now you can replace the logo. You can just in the branding, you just check off the hide WordPress logo and links. You can also hide the WordPress version, and you can set up a custom page title. And once you set up everything of this sort, excuse me, you can then go ahead and upload your own logo, which will then appear in the top left instead of the WordPress logo. As you can see, you can upload the admin bar logo right over here. You can upload the alt text. You can replace the howdy text and replace the admin bar URL, which is pretty much what you want to do if you're white labeling things anyway. Now, after that, you can white label the side menu. You can change the side menu image, the collapsed side menu image, as well as the side menu link, and the side menu alt text. Once you edit all of this, then those things will of course change on your dashboard, and you can brand the Gutenberg editor by changing the exit button, and you can also add a footer image, text, and custom URL, and even HTML code to add custom branding to the footer of your admin panel. And once you're done with that, that is pretty much it with the dashboard. You can also do it with the login page, the dashboard, the menus and settings, or rather, of course, you can with the dashboard, but pretty much these are only for branding, and then you can further edit the dashboard with other options, such as the dashboard icon, dashboard title, etc., etc. Pretty much you just need to go through the tabs, change whatever you want changed, click save, and then you're pretty much done with it. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.